watch me. Don't watch me.
Yes, bye bye guys. We are gonna wash our hair.
For the first time. For the first time. For the first time. What's up guys, this is your Abhishek Shenoy back with another video. Alright, first of all, don't judge my hair because I have not done any product or any hairstyling right now because I am about to do a keratin treatment. Yes, of course, I'm about to do a keratin treatment because I'm getting a lot of messages in my Instagram and Facebook that please show us a video regarding keratin. Is it good? How is it done? Which is the best products and all. So I thought of, I'm in Chennai right now, so I thought of contacting the supermodel. Of course, Sindhuri Chandra Mohan is here, supermodel from Chennai and an actress. So I asked her like where is the best place to do keratin. So she brought me here in the Fame Saloon Chennai. Where is this place actually?
So this is basically in Nugambakam. It's one of the main spot in Nugambakam. So the studio name is called The Fame Hair and Makeup Studio. So you guys, you have to check because they have a lot of offers going on right now because they have launched the keratin treatment.
Launched? Oh wow. So they have launched some products, so we'll check it out. I have no idea about this, so we'll check it out. So anybody from Chennai, make sure self you come fast and contact these guys. The Fame Hair and Makeup Studio, Nungambakam.
Yes.
Did I pronounce right?
Yes.
Yeah, so let's go in and check out the products. And I want a luxury treatment, like the best one, because I want to give my subscribers the best ever it could be.
Okay, that is going to be one of the best products for keratin.
We'll ask them, then we'll talk. Yeah, let's enter. Let's go. Come on. Alright guys, so finally we are here in the Fame Saloon and let's ask them.
Hi.
Abhishek Shenoy.
Yes.
So I'm here to do a keratin for my subscribers. I'm getting a lot of messages that they want to know which is the best product for doing keratin and all. So please suggest me the best. Nothing but the best.
Okay.
For keratin, because I have a lot of frizzy hair. I want it to be very smooth and all. Okay. But I don't want to do any like average treatment and all. Give me the best. What you have to offer. Yeah. And by the way, guys, this is the Fame Studio, Nungambakam.
Yes.
And what's your name? Durga. Durga is here. So anybody from Chennai, if you want any kind of hair treatment and all, contact Durga, the Fame Studio. Alright, so which is you have any offers or something
yes,
like that?
we are launching a brand called GK.
Launching a brand?
Yes.
Okay, as she said, yeah, you said, right? You had an idea.
Yeah, I had an idea.
Okay, so as she said, they are launching a brand. Which is the brand?
It's called GK.
GK.
Yes.
Okay.
It's a #1 hair professional for keratin.
For keratin?
Yes.
Alright guys, thank God I'm in the right place right now because I'm getting to do a keratin treatment, #1 product, GK. And is that the product?
Yes, these are the products.
Yeah, let me show them the product guys. So these are the product, GK for hair, top notch, #1. I don't do #2, you know. These are the products, so we'll ask them about it. And can you give a brief about this brand or the product or something?
Yeah, this product is basically with the less of formaldehyde.
Okay.
So that's why the brand is #1. And there is a product called Jivanaxin. It's a protein treatment.
Okay.
So that's the product. The ingredient they are using it for the all products.
Okay, fine. So guys, as you heard, it's the best treatment and protein. I know keratin is kind of a protein treatment and it's the best treatment for your hair if you have frizzy hair and unmanageable hair. Like I have good volume, but I'm not able to manage it without a lot of products. I don't want to use a lot of products because every day I'm having shoot and I don't want to use like a lot of products. So I want to keep my hair healthy. So this is the best treatment, and thank God that Durga introduced me to the best brand, GK for hair, and they have launched it. What else you want guys? So let's start the treatment. Shall we start?
Yes.
Let's start. Alright guys, we are going to start our treatment. Before that, just take a look at the before hair. How my hair looks like before the treatment. This is how my hair looks like. It is frizzy, right? I don't have sides. I just trimmed my sides day before yesterday, but I have good volume in my top part portion. So, but it's frizzy. We are going to look at the female model's hair before the treatment. Sindhuri's hair.
Okay, hi guys, this is Sindhuri Chandra Mohan.
You look pretty.
Thank you. So this is like before keratin. I know my hair is like little baby and little frizzy. you know what, like every day as a model and artist, like we have to style our hair to, you know, you have to set our hair. That is the very toughest job
with
for me
harsh
to do.
product, with harsh products.
Yeah, harsh products. So so right here, like we are here to do some keratin treatment.
Yeah, look at the frizziness of the hair.
Yeah, it's like very frizzy. So
I'll just zoom it in. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
So this is my hair, guys. So
This is before hair, both of us.
yeah, before keratin. So we will tell you what and all the procedures will be going on,
Yeah.
and we will show you what exactly keratin treatment does.
Alright guys, the step 1 is washing our hair. Because the cam is fixed, I can't take you there, so it's not seen. Yeah, so we are gonna wash our hair. That's the first step. So let's wash. I'll wash and come, then I'll show you. Alright guys, I'm done with the step 1, washing my hair and blow drying, and the step 2 is application of the product, and this is the product which I was talking about. Let's start. Alright guys, so I'm done with the application and I have to sit for like 30 to 40 minutes. So this is how I look after my application. Alright guys, now I've waited for 30 minutes and right now they're gonna blow dry with the products on. The product is still on, we haven't washed it yet. We will first iron it, we'll first blow dry it, and after that we'll go for an iron, right? Yeah, let's go. Guys, I'm done with my ironing. You can see how straight. Oh my god, this is very soft. So guys, I'm done with day 1. This is how it looks like, but we haven't washed the product. The product will be in my hair for 2 days, today and tomorrow, and we'll wash it on Wednesday. Today is Monday, so we'll wash it on Wednesday. So for 48 hours, it will be on my hair. This is the result. Alright, so this is the result. So we'll come back on Wednesday and we'll wash it off. Till then, we are not supposed to wash our hair and use any other products, right? Alright guys, so this is day 3 and first we are gonna blow dry our hair without any products and all. Then we will wash our hair. Okay, let's start. And you can see the look for blow dry and all. It's pretty straight. It's very straight. See that? Alright guys, so I'm done with the blow drying. I'm gonna style my hair, and this time I'm gonna do a sleek back, because once your hair is straight, then I would prefer kind of sleek back style, because that will suit well.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, so I'm done with the look, and this is my final look after my keratin. I hope you all like it. This looks pretty shiny, smooth and straight. No tangles, nothing. This works, keratin works. Look at this one. Does it suits me or not? Let me know. She's not done. After she's done, I will show her last look. This is my final look. I'll put a photo of my before and after. Keratin. The fame. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. This is our final look. My look. Once again, I'll roll it. This is my sides looks like. Other sides, and this is straight. And her, what were you showing?
I was just saying like superb.
See, so girls will get impressed. Do keratin, boys. Okay, so this is her final outlook. Silky smooth, nice.
Smooth and shine and straight, so you don't need to, style your hair every day.
Exactly. For girls, it's perfect. For boys also, it's good if you want like a straight hair. But it will kind of, it doesn't look like natural, but it will look like a straight hair. But this is not straightening or smoothing. This is a keratin treatment, which is a protein treatment. Alright. This is compared to straightening and all, this is safe, right?
It is very safe, because it's like more of protein treatment which you are giving to the hair.
Yeah, so it is comparatively safe when it comes down to straightening and all. So if you are a person who plans to straighten your hair, don't go for straightening, go for keratin. Okay? The fame, Nungambakam, Chennai. If you are in Chennai, then make sure you come here and ask them. They will provide discounts. We are not disclosing the price, so you can contact them.
Because it differs
according to the length
of the hair.
It differs for male and female, and it differs according to the length of your hair. So you can come down to the Fame Saloon. It's in Nungambakam. The Insta ID is the Fame Saloon, right?
The Fame Saloon.
The Fame Saloon is the Insta ID. Just DM them. They will give you the details. You come down here, do your keratin, and look like us.
Thank you.
Alright guys, so that's pretty much it. Until next time, this is your Abhishek Shenoy signing out. And of course, this is your Abhishek Shenoy, and that's Sindhuri Chandra Mohan signing out. Bye.
Watch me. Watch me. got me on the straight offensive. You can't stop this trend direct.
This picture I can't take you there, so it's not seen. Yeah. Thank you. So we'll be meeting on Thursday.
Yes.
Oh, small gift. Please come.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. This is a surprise.
Yeah, surprise gift. Thank you. Thank you so much. You want a gift?
Thank you.
Come pray. Can you zoom in there?